Welcome to the realm of machine learning, where innovation meets intelligence. In 2023, the top 5 technologies you should learn as a machine learning enthusiast are: Number 1. TensorFlow. TensorFlow, the titan of machine learning frameworks. Master this powerful tool to design, train, and deploy complex neural networks that can tackle a wide range of tasks. Number 2. PyTorch. PyTorch, the flexible deep learning library. Dive into the world of dynamic neural networks and leverage PyTorch intuitive APIs for rapid experimentation and prototyping. Number 3. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, the gateway to training AI agents. Explore this exciting field and learn how to teach machines to make optimal decisions in dynamic environments. Number 4. AutoML. AutoML, the automation revolution. Embrace this game-changing technology that streamlines the machine learning pipeline, from feature engineering to model selection, making AI accessible to all. Number 5. Generative adversarial networks. Generative adversarial networks, the artistry of AI. Discover the fascinating world of GANs, where you can create synthetic data, generate realistic images, and even mimic human creativity.